Now let's turn to Land Rover. With the new Evoque, the brand is really buzzing. Earlier this summer, we welcomed the world's press to Liverpool for its launch, and since then, the car has appeared on front covers across the globe. To tell us about the next steps for Land Rover, let's meet now John Edwards, Global Brand Director, Land Rover. John.
Thanks, Frank. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Land Rover. As Ralph mentioned earlier, we are an ambitious business. Our strategy is to leverage our distinctive brand proposition and grow in international markets, driven by an unprecedented growth and investment in new product. Our sales so far this year are up 15% versus the same period last year. And despite the challenging market conditions, order banks and inquiry levels continue to grow. And as a result, we're confident that 2011 will become our best ever year in terms of sales. September is going to be a pivotal month for us as deliveries of the Range Rover Evoque commence. You know, this brilliant new product takes us into an entirely new segment of the market. And we estimate that about 80% of our sales will be to customers who are completely new to the Land Rover brand. We currently have more than 25,000 customer orders, and the order bank, I'm very pleased to say, continues to grow. In addition, with our 12 model year products, we're introducing a range of technical and design updates that include an 8-speed ZF gearbox on Range Rover Sport and Discovery 4, increasing performance and reducing emissions by close to 10%. Now, from a geographical perspective, we're consolidating our global footprint with strong growth in overseas markets, resulting in more than 80% of our production being exported into more than 170 markets worldwide. We're recruiting dealers at the rate of about 10 per month, and we also plan to double our Land Rover Experience franchise from 30 to 60 over the next 3 years. Now, to build on this growth, we're investing more money than ever before in developing new products. And one of these new products is an all-new Land Rover Defender. Now, as you well know, this is not something that we've rushed into. In fact, it's taken us 63 years. Back in 1948, the Series 1 was the first mass-produced civilian 4x4. Single-handedly, it defined our go-anywhere, can-do spirit. And it's become a true automotive icon, loved by many the world over. And of course, it's always been right at the heart of the Land Rover brand. Now, as we begin to develop the all-new Defender, I know people will be asking us, will it be true to the original core values? And I can assure you that it will. Our ambition is to create a Defender for a global market, a Defender that reaches out to new and existing customers in a way that's absolutely true to its original DNA. A Defender that truly embodies our engineering expertise in off-road technology. A Defender that's capable, durable, versatile, and configurable. A Defender that will be responsible and sustainable. A Defender that will be designed to meet the needs of the commercial user as well as the private buyer. I have to tell you that the whole team at Land Rover is truly excited about working on the new Defender. There is a tangible sense of energy in the business, and there needs to be, because there's a huge amount of work to do if we're to meet our intended production date of 2015. But believe me, we are absolutely committed to the task. And to help illustrate that commitment, I'd like to hand over to Jerry McGovern, Land Rover's Global Design Director, who's going to share with you some of our thinking.
We both go to the screen.
Jerry.
To replace an icon is a massive challenge, one we take seriously. At the heart of Defender is capability, pure and simple. And yet design is as important to a Defender as it is to any other Land Rover. We have no desire to imitate our past. We will design a Defender that is relevant to the 21st century. A Defender that's designed and engineered in harmony, fit for a world that has changed beyond recognition. Therefore, a vehicle that recognises its unique heritage, but is firmly looking forward. A configurable vehicle that has the ability to create much greater appeal by resonating with a more diverse set of customers, whether it's a commercial buyer in Brazil or a serious surfer in California. So, how do you shape a vehicle to be brilliantly capable, deadly serious, and yet also fun? A vehicle for a new world with new possibilities. Now, the design proposals I'm about to show you are of several under consideration for production. Irrespective of the chosen design, you can be sure it will do all the things you expect of a modern-day Defender. Extremely capable, durable, and built for purpose. It will use cutting-edge, lightweight, high-tech materials. It will be versatile, and it will be comfortable. And of course, it will be responsible and sustainable. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we've been waiting for. The Land Rover DC100. The DNA is clear, optimised proportion and stance, short overhangs for good approach departure angles, high sill for good breakover clearance, simple body side sections, the vertical rear, the plant-on roof, all combine to create an overall visual robustness. And of course, it's got a winch. The upright cabin architecture of the interior continues the story of flexible and adaptable usage, functional, 3-abreast social seating, modern, technical and durable materials, relevant technology. And of course, this wouldn't be a Defender without a hose-out interior. So, all the Land Rover ingredients are there, but cooked in a modern, relevant and highly desirable way. This is a Defender for the 21st century. Of course, the Defender has always taken multiple forms. Its design cues are rooted in functionality. But what about those experienced seekers who want to use the car's amazing capabilities in a more performance-oriented and more adventurous way? Or as a trusted companion for the urban environment? For them, we have a second concept, using the same 100-inch wheelbase. Remember our open roof vehicles with their fold-down windscreens? They were all about adventure and exploration. So, how do we recapture that feeling for a whole new generation? A car that takes the essence of Defender and makes it relevant for a multitude of modern-day lifestyle activities. So, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this beauty, the DC100 Sport. This is a Land Rover, but like no other Land Rover we've seen before. It's all about desirability. Yes, it's great design, but it's design with substance. It's speedster profile, it's cut down screen and side windows, its wheel at each corner stance, its sense of strength and purpose, all exude confidence and absolute desirability. Its fastback cabin roofline encloses a load bed to carry extreme sports equipment. Its interior incorporates social seating for 3 and a central instrument binnacle, just like on the original Land Rover. Interior fabrics are ultra-modern to create an environment that's both premium and outstandingly durable. This is a car that promises an exciting driving experience combined with peerless all-terrain capability. So, this is the potential transformation of Defender. 2 concepts that incorporate our latest all-terrain technology. 2 concepts that combine design and engineering integrity. And 2 concepts that will resonate on an emotional level. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues. Great to see you today. That brings the press conference to a close. Please join us on stage to see our wonderful new products. Thank you all, and have a very good Frankfurt Motor Show 2011. All the best for you. Thank you.